Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the Curse. My landlords, I just want to say this disclaimer. My channel is not monetized. YouTube is giving me runaround, but I'm doing this for the fun of it because we have built a family. So with that said, Umkhokha the Curse, can we start with Khulekani? Like, I love Khulekani. Khulekani is my role model. So Khulekani says Umkhokha is brought on by the church and God is punishing the church for not following Jesus Christ, but rather following Umvelase, right? Sharp, no problem. Judea ke chairperson or spokesperson the wife I defend Judea defend Judea asathu defend Judea ugel ngakho konke nako like ukhiphe everything yantshela like all stops indoda yaphendula athi njengoba uphendula Judea ngenhliziyo nangesibhono, do you know ukuthi between mina noKhulekani khona lo umama athi mele angene unokubonga? So njengoba wena uyispokesperson somJudea sethempele lenkosi, do you know ukuthi soon uzolanyiswa wena? Ngabe nimbonile like her face but asiqhubeke nomkhosi. Guys, kunabo nokubonga nomkhosi nokubonga nomkhasi, ningangimangaleli mangimikisa amagama mara niyazi ukuthi wakaKhulekani ubani. Fine, unomkhosi ke abona ukuthi indaba iyamushisa uyasho girl ayenzeni alanda uManzimande athi girl ngizwa indaba so ngicela nje uqaqise kusasemanje ngakashaya i-heart attack. Ubani wakaKhulekani? Ubani wakanokubonga la? uKhulekani or uZamcolo? Athi I'm not going to make the decision for them, they have to make the decision for themselves. Stress simutrapile girl, simutrape straight because akazi ukuthi it can go either way, it can just simply go either way. But ke uGabisile kube uyo ovusa uNomafu athi Nomafu agcina avukile laphayana no avela uphakathwayo avela uMamzoba yenze sure ukuthi ibhega ayitholakali vele ugeli. But uphakathwayo uyabona ukuthi man uMamzobe unesandla semfene, ambuze athi vele abantwana bethu mele bafe ulokhu uhleli nespirit. Ngithi angamani, ngithi ugeli uthi bona zingamani ziguquke zonke but indaba yona angeke iziphume, uhleli nasi ispirit uMamzobe bathi until ayongena egodini the way ngibona ngakhona ke hayi sekaqedile ke uMamzobe ukwenza konke lokho kwekwispirit. Atshela uGabisile, alanda uGabisile, confront uGabisile ukuthi you have been praying and I don't like your prayers because your prayers zisho ukuthi mina mele ngisafari ngenzeni. uGabisile athi angikaqali ke ukukhuleka ngisayokhuleka. Hayi ngebhadi ke uGabisile ntambama sathi uhleli azomama kakhuluma. Mama kukhuluma nobani? Nomzobe. Umzobe uthi kwenzakalani? uMamzobe uphika noma sa-aphupha ngisho like even in her dreams, even in her trance ugirl aphike athi Gabisile is the witch, Gabisile is this, Gabisile is that, Gabisile is that. So basically she threw her own daughter under the bus just kunokuthi akhiphe ikhwama. Alright, uGabisile amvusa athi hey bekunamanga mama in because she's only a child, she's scared, she doesn't know ukuthi mama kukhuluma nobani and she can see ukuthi uMamzobe is indeed threatened. But ke we know ukuthi uMzobe wazi yonke into, ngisho sekayisibhogi phela, wazi everything. So ke isikhwama nje mele uMamzobe asikhiphe by fire by force. Kuleka Mabusi ke sekuyafona ke ukuthi kulanda uMabusi, hey kuyatatazelwa vela landa uMabusi naye seka worried ukuthi kwenzakalani in but they all decided ukuthi as a family bazo faster babamba ibhande or babopha ibhande ukuthi le yonke lento eyenza uMabusi indlule. Bayenze kanjalo ke uManzimande decide ukuthi it is the right thing ukuthi also abize unokubonga azokhuleka nabo because uyifamily. Maqeda ukubiza unokubonga amtshele ke ukuthi unokubonga, we did you wrong by sending you back to your family, you should have stayed with us and then now we want you to be here full time uzohlala nathi. Uyabona unokubonga ukuthi hamba kuphi mara inhlizweni deep down ujabulile ugirl and siyazi ukuthi unokubonga yena ufuna ukushadwa uZamcolo. But who will be the sacrificial lamb finally? Who will it be? This is your girl Disebe D. I love you. Peace. Bye.